Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting 3 things ready: your iPhone with the Apple Home app, the Google Home device on the same Wi-Fi, and a bridge solution, MatterHub, HomeBridge, or Home Assistant. Once you install the bridge software on a Pi or NAS, open its UI and add the Google integration plugin so the bridge can discover devices. Make sure you write down the HomeKit pairing code generated by the bridge. You'll need it to link devices into Apple Home. Next, enable the specific Google or vendor plugin inside your bridge interface and authenticate with your Google account so the bridge can access devices. Once authenticated, trigger discovery and let the bridge import devices. Then tidy them up by assigning rooms and confirming capabilities like on /off, brightness, or sensors. This step converts Google devices into HomeKit accessories within the bridge so Apple Home can see them. Make sure device names are clear, because those labels show in the Home app. Now open the Apple Home app, tap Add Accessory, and use the HomeKit code provided by your bridge to pair. If prompted, accept permissions and place devices into rooms. Once paired, create a scene or automation to test functionality and try controlling a device with Siri to confirm two-way control. If something doesn't appear, reboot the bridge and device, make sure your iPhone and bridge are on the same network, and confirm the plugin is up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.